to show you how to move a page to somewhere else in the Notion app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just click on the dots next to the name of the page. Then we click on Move To, and here we have some suggestions, or we can search for a page, for example, project planner, and then click on this and move it to there, like this. Now this example page is going to be here, but we can move this back. Move to James. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.